Good morning. This is AG Satyan from AGS Consulting Engineers and Project Management. Uh, Today, we are going to chat with a few fresh graduate engineers, those who join with us before going for the training. We like to know that what is their view about the job and what is their understanding about their study and the reality in the industry. Let us go with the first candidate. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, myself Shiva Shankaran. I have just graduated in chemical engineering. So I was looking job into Indeed, then various websites and apps. So in Jobs India, there were jobs, but it was like telecalling, then coding, then machining. There was there. But for chemical engineers, the reality in Chennai is there only 10 to 15 companies in and around Chennai, which is mainly located in MEVS, then near to Tirunir Malai, then Trimudivakam. There are some companies, very few, and there is no openings. If we also apply in LinkedIn, Naukri, even in Chennai, there is mostly very less jobs available. The jobs are available in Mumbai, Hyderabad, then in North India only. Thank you for the opportunity.
Okay. Before going to you, just I want to show your how you identified in just to give the crispy because we are going to run this total video in only 4 minutes. So just to tell me what is your understanding, what the, on during the study and after the study, how you feel that whether you are getting the job in the right domain or what you studied and what is the reality. You have any upset or you got any positive vibration on that, how you are reaching to the job?
Like there are people who demotivate, like study for UPSC, TNPSC, Group 1, Group 2. There are chances, but it is completely related to different field where there were a template, and we don't have a challenging jobs. For example, mining, these are all the different sectors. Then pharmaceutical companies, these are all the other sectors which where we can work on as an R&D, but still they require experience. After my study, I was a little bit hectic and disappointed because the jobs aren't for freshers. And thank you for the opportunity.
Okay. You are newly came here. You are from the Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. You are a MSc graduate, I believe. You are electrical and electronics.
Electronics.
Electronics. Then how you identified AGS in Chennai from Bhimavaram to here? What makes you to come here? And also you are agreeing all the terms what we are saying about the 6 month training, which you are not going to financially benefited, but we assured you to take you the technically and to make you to ensure your career will be placed in the right direction what you studied. Okay. So what do you understand? The what make you to come to Chennai?
Actually, my do MSc Electronics, and there are so many fields that we are separated. Actually, some courses are there. So many of amount of the collected and courses are doing it. The jobs are there. They are only showing the seeing the jobs, not the place with the jobs. Then I will search it for so many quarters that I first in this AGS consultants. I can see this job and I can make this resume and come to this job. And so many of I know that this training period there is no amount of charge, and I can direct to the projects and jobs. Then I can interest this is that I will accept this. Okay.
Thank you. Your electrical engineer is most demandable in the current market. Okay, you joined from Virudhunagar. Okay, can you tell me which made you to come to us?
In 4 years, 2 years is Corona batch. We do not go to college. College we can write exam in online. So we do not gain any uh, practical knowledge because simply we need more practical knowledge, but we do not need any practical knowledge because in Corona batch the machines or how to operate the machines, DC motor, AC motor, there are a lot of machines and some more instrument and solar like, but we do not gain any knowledge.
Before that, can you tell your name?
I am Sheikh Mohammed.
Your name?
My name is Sam Mohammed.
Okay, I'm happy to introduce you in through our AGS2 media. The purpose of this particular chat, people to understand that what is in reality. You people have taken the risk and then coming. Risk in sense, you during the training period, you are not going to get any financial benefit. But the technically, this is strong foundation for your career that we will assure you. So many are we are interacting with the many candidates. They're all just expectation is very high, and which is not in the reality. That too, this is not. They are not aware about this industry. First of all, they are all misguided with a very big amount of packages and very what is called luxury lifestyle. They are thinking that after finishing of your graduation you will be landed into the very good environment, and just like that you will pay. It's not like the reality. There are people, there are every year minimum around 5 lakhs engineers India is producing. But how many people are getting the core job, which is their related job? What you studied, what you are in the industry, both are the same, means a very big question mark. Many people are thinking that chat GPT, AI technology and nanotechnology, they talk about many latest technology. Is it the reality that all the 5 lakhs engineers are at least 50% of engineers getting the same job in the latest technology? Technology is to reduce the manpower, accuracy of the quality of the existing engineering, and then shortest duration to achieve certain things. For why we are implementing new software, new technology is making you fast. We are talk about 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. You take that, what made the difference? Fastest communication, widest large volume communication. That was a core goal to achieve this type of technology. AI, what it mean? It's reduce the manpower. You no need to 10 people to type some Excel just for voice command. Without my presence, people can create my own videos, my own voice, my own thought process. I am not required now because of the technology. Technology is reduce the manpower also. Then how we have to survive? But we have to survive through our own inbuilt knowledge, which you learn from your education system, and you create your own technology, which is not in this world. You do some lot of researches, but before going to that, you should accommodate with the available job. That is called core engineering, which is mostly required people, high demand now. We are not able to get the right candidates because many people are going into the creamy job, which is giving the sweet words in the many of the peoples, and they are all believing they are going into that. But what is the volume of the job openings? The volume of job opening for AI, chat GPT, whatever software is very less. That is not for the long sustainable for your lifespan. But as an engineer, if you start your career now, I am telling you, till your last breath, you will be called as an engineer. That engineer is your own knowledge is there in that. You can design, you can create, you can do some wonder on your engineering. That is done by your own knowledge actually. It's not that supporting some software. That is called core engineering. Your electrical engineering means you have to work on electrical systems. That is related maybe to product, or that may be related to the large volume engineering industries. Anything you can call. So there are technology required, but the opportunities are very less. But competition also very high. But what is the length of your growth is very short span. Everything you want to fast. Also your earning also will be fast, and then you will fall down. So how you have to keep your job opportunity, knowledge updations, how you have to travel your life, because you have to move next level. No, the first thing is you as an engineer, you have to work as an engineer. Learn something related to your own study without expecting anything. If you get the opportunity, somebody calls you for the electrical engineering, you have to prepare some small, some sort of calculations, data sheets, drafting, anything. You just enter into that, then you just explore that what is industry, what they are doing, What are the other companies connected with this in the global? Think globally, not in within the district or state. So what I am saying, many are young engineers not aware about all those things, their expectations, and then keep applying. I am receiving more than 1,000 plus CVs for one position. If I put it in the Naukri, I am getting 1,000 CVs within 2 to 3 days, but I am not getting not even 5 right candidates, because my terms and their terms was not meeting actually. I could not able to give immediately what you want, because what you are going to deliver means they are not going to deliver. I said, they are saying that if you teach me, I will deliver. Then what is your study and last 4 years? So we are building this gap between the institution and the industry. So first 6 months is an internship period that will give the complete knowledge about the core industry. Also for the other disciplines, other departments also. It's not only for electrical means electrical. That you also should know that there are supportive departments. For the same way the chemical engineer, same way for the electronics also. So we have to, all the students has to understand that what is reality, where they are struggling. Just 6 months if you work, definitely your life will get changed. First you are a fresh engineer. You have to change that fresh engineer, become a working in somewhere. Now you joined. From today onwards you are working in the AGS consultancy in the core industry as oil and gas industry. Your exposure will be international exposure. It's not that you are sitting in Chennai working for the small project. We are working for the multiple countries. You are learning the multiple codes and standards. You come across a lot of standards, formats, everything we are teaching in the 6 months. We are improving your communication, your boldness. Now you are sitting and talking in the on media, which is seen by the many people. Your experience will be spread across the globe. So you should be good enough to talk and good enough to learn. The first 6 months will be challengeable, but that is for the assure you that your career will be fixed and you will be grown faster, because your investment is 6 months after your graduation without expectation. That is your first step. You are not a fresh graduate. Now onwards you are a graduate engineer trainee, or you are working in some industry. So this understanding has to be come from all the engineers. What do you feel? Just tell me the last bit, that what you taken the input from my advice.
Like there are more opportunities wherever we can grab it. If we grab it, we are engineers. Thank you.
We can gain the knowledge from practically, not theoretically.
What about you?
Can gain more knowledge on the industrial field. We can gain more job opportunities. We can further pitch based on this areas concerned.
Yes, absolutely. Your dedication for the next 6 months definitely will take you to a life will be settled. At least you will get your own confident level to do what you are going to do next. That decision you can take your own without getting somebody's involvement. You can see the world and you can see the opportunity, and you can take your own decisions. You will take your risk. Okay, that will come in the next 6 months. Thanks for your participation. We are welcome you on board. Thank you.